basic force feature of the 3/4 valve, 4/4 valve, and the 5/4 valve. This way, the 3/4 valve is it can change to the 3-directional flow. 4/4 valve with the 4-direction flow, and the 5/4 valve with the 5-direction flow. Those flow valve, they are the real physical diagram, and the pneumatics are symbols. The more popular ponza so 3/4 valve, 4/4 valve, and 5/4 valve. The 3/4 valve so no, we know that Leo Tonia. ဖြန့်ပြီးတော့သွားလို့ရတယ်ဖိုးဖို့ပါတော့4နေရာကိုထပ်ခွဲသွားလို့ရတယ်5ဖို့ပါတော့5နေရာထပ်ခွဲသွားလို့ရတယ်အဲ့ဒီဘားတွေရဲ့တိဆောက်ပုံတွေနဲ့သူ့ရဲ့ pneumatic ဆိုင်ရာပုံတွေကိုသင်္ကေတလက္ခဏာတွေ The valve post and the pole labeling. Directional control valves are frequently described by the number of their working ports. Flow open, and the 2-post valves are usually used for the turn the airflow. And 3/4 valves are the 3 working posts, and the 4/4 valves are the 4 working posts, and the 5/4 valves are the 5 working posts. 4/4 and the 5/4 valves are used to control the engines and linear actuators or reversible motors. The pressure posts are 3/4 valves are the positionally used for the create the pilot signal, and 4/4 and the 5/4 valves are used to control the engines linear actuators or reversible motors. The pressure posts connects the valves to the pressure of the source. The 2 outlet posts are connected to the actuator, and the exhaust airs are escaped from through the post. The labeling of the pole is presently undergoing some radical changes. The valve mechanism, the directional control valve consists of the valve body or the valve housing and the valve mechanism. Some valves are mounted through the subblade. The posts in the subblade or on the valve body are threaded to hold the the fittings which connects the valve to the fluid conductor lines. Some valves have the tube fittings mounted into the valve body, and this is normally the case where the valve body is made from the plastic. The valve mechanism directs the pressure to flow and through the valve body to the selected upper post or the store the fluid from the passing through the valve. External signals commands, electrical manual or the air pilot pressure, and the internal signal commands, air pilot pressure and the spring force may be applied to alert the valve mechanism. So this is the valve labeling system. The directional control valve is so in the 2-pole, 4-pole, 5-pole အဲ့လိုလုပ်လို့ရတယ်။ 2-pole valve တွေကြတော့ဗာလဲဆိုရင်ဒီလို air flow ကိုချိန်တဲ့เนาะ direction ကိုထိမ့်သိမ့်ဖို့ပဲသုံးမှုတာဖြစ်တယ်။ 3-pole valve ကြတော့ဒီလိုเนาะ signal pilot signal ပါပေးဖို့အတွက်ပေးဖြစ်တယ်။ 4-pole နဲ့ 5-pole valve တွေကြတော့ဒီလိုเนาะဒီလို air actuator တွေဒီ air motor တွေเนาะရှေ့တိုး1ပြောင်းပြန်လှည့်တာတွေเนาะအဲ့လိုဆဲဖို့အတွက်လည်းသုံးပြတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ labeling เนาะ valve mechanism ကြတော့ဗာလဲဆိုရင် directional control valve တွေမှာဆိုရင် valve body ပါတယ် valve housing ပါတယ် valve mechanism ပါတယ်တချို့တော့ valve တွေမှာ subblade တွေပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ 2 subblade တွေပါတယ်အဲ့ body တွေမှာ thread လုပ်ထားပြီးတော့မှ valve tube တွေကိုထိန်းသိမ်းတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ valve mechanism တွေဆိုရင်ဒီစီးသွားတဲ့လေရဲ့ဖိအားကိုထိန်းသိမ်းဥတီချက်ကိုထိန်းသိမ်းတာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့ပို့ direction မျိုးရောက်ထိန်းသိမ်းတာဖြစ်တယ်တော့အပြင်ကနေပြီးပေးတဲ့လျှက်စစ် signal တွေတော့အဲ့ဒီ signal command signal တွေကို valve တွေကိုပေးပြီးတော့ဘယ်စီ valve တွေရဲ့လှုပ်ဆောင်မှုကိုထိန်းသိမ်းပေးတာဖြစ်တယ် Show that are 5-pole valves and they are valve opening position and they are the physical diagram and the pneumatic diagram. And if for that, I bought the 5-pole valve, not the 4-pole valves are valve opening position. To get now pneumatic to get less sheet, to get less with low their bone to hydraulic pneumatic side. No, think that like show that are 5-pole valves and they are valve opening position and they are the physical diagram and the pneumatic diagram. And if for that, I bought the 5-pole valve, not the 4-pole valves are valve opening position. To get now pneumatic to get less sheet, to get less with low their bone to hydraulic pneumatic side. No, think that like with a normally closed and a normally open valve. These forms are generally applied through the 3-pole valve. The valve shown in the figures, the 2-position valve with the 3 poles, permits the no flow from the pressure pole B to the output pole A. Is the normal spring-based position. In the case of the normally open valve, the supply is permitted to the stream to the output pole A, while the valve is in a normal position. Both valves and when the actuator change, their flow move to the flow configuration. The method of the valve actuation, the form accuracy in relation to the pneumatic valves refers to the various methods or the moving the valve, moving into the any or the attended position. The valve can be accurate by the bypass of basic method, and manually, mechanically, electrically, hydraulically, and pneumatically. In the complex machines application, any of these methods or the combination of them may be used to gain the obedience or control of the manual methods. And also we use the springs accurate valve. The turn spring accurate or the spring outlet increase in the case of the three position valve. Spring center refer to the application of the spring which return the valve mechanism to the rest position as soon as the virus signal command is cancelled. Such commands, whether may be the pneumatic, electric, or the manual, must be the maintained as well as a valve in the is remain is the normal of the accurate position. Now to go normally close and normally open body. Normally close and normally open body. Normally close the bowman and he never be valve. Normally open jar of bowman in never valve. Point out that bowman you pit it. And I must see the flow completed in a bone in a pop. And now you vow beyond your blue low signals or material accuracy jalo. The value Lulu Yales, now some was an Lulu Yakin and Lulu Yal hydraulic amore, you met in a Lulu Yala today. Now we got solo supreme power the body, a supreme power in the body jalo balaswing. Supreme the master, supreme the va, the Niala Macan Puna Dollar than the supreme the vow, Mulania Yaw, Biambio, a below today, not supreme body, no, to what up today. Hello, supreme body must be lower the second air, Pelo Yale, second air, the cuckoo, penny so in the bar, supreme penny, Lolo Mide, a second air machine also in the supreme, the vow, Bianca, your Mulania, Bianca was it up today. This is the normally closed bar and the normally open bar. The normally closed bar and normally open bar, the physical diagram and the pneumatic diagram. The more popular bar normally closed bar and normally open bar today, and they get that we bone the pneumatic diagram. For the normally manual actuation and the mechanical actuation bar. So this is the diagram of the physical diagram and the pneumatic diagram of the manual and the mechanical accuracy of the bar. And the more popular bone of balance now, physical liquid bone, the low height, pneumatic bone, who popular to get manual accuracy, no mechanical accuracy, the van bone. Yes, the pneumatic bylaw accuracy, electrical solenoid accuracy, and the hydraulic bylaw accuracy of the valve. They are the physical diagram and the pneumatic symbols. And the more popular pneumatic bylaw accuracy, electrical solenoid accuracy, hydraulic bylaw accuracy, and the bar bone today, that to do it again, let me bone in it, no, the hydraulics are thingy in it, and pneumatic thingy in a popular time. Diagram show about the normally closed valve, normally open valve. Those are diagram with the pneumatic symbol, and also the fully closed center, fully closed center, and also there's a press. So this is the press bar connection. So those are the various operation type mode of the valve, and they are pneumatic symbols. The more popular bar bone the upper saying the low bar bone, music, low look at bongani, low look at bongani, to do it, no, pneumatics are thinking that it's popular time today. Different kind of the bar, how do the bit is a different kind of the force, different kind of the component of the bar, and this table show about the different kind of the valve. The more popular bone or the pneumatic but the thing that like a music, to low look at bongan music, no, to do it, to see bone, you think it out in a popular time today. Talking about the spool bars. So the spool bars are connection. So spool bar is this is the operation into the hydraulic system and pneumatic system. This is a spool bar operation system. So spool bars are designed. The spool bar is the most frequently used. Spool bar offer the number or the advantage over the profit and the slide bar. Spool bar may be used for the flow reverse, and this is only possible at one type of the bar. And the sense of flow force acting on the hands are the lengths are the equal pressure. The bar is said to be the balance and used therefore only the small aggregating force. Spool bar may operate without the electrometric cease, as spool bar may be built for the more than 2 switching positions. So this is the characteristic spool bars. Also, that we also utilize flashlight bars. Flashlight bars are the modern adaptation of the old steam bar used for the steam locomotives. The flashlight is actually carried through and flow by in the grooved piston. The piston may either be the air pilot signal or spring or the solenoid or the air pilots are operated. The bar cannot be flowed fast. B cannot be used at the arse by ballast, but it offers the advantages of the combined ace-of post, which may be useful for the aggregator speed control. Now, who said before spool bar is a flashlight bar today? Spool bar is a proper net flashlight bar that both your Joshi spool bar the flow below yard. Now, spool bar is the switching position the cooler bowl at below yard. Now, got flashlight bar is a balance swing, the steam bar is the motorbike look at today. Same body to that today, Dame, the follow of Yami Rabado Maya Uta after the flashlight body, no, a Jutayamu. So this is a pneumatics pilot aggregation. So proper bar, are still used and offer at least 2 significant advantage. So this proper bars connection is you can see in this diagram. This is with the proper bar with pneumatics pilot aggregation. The for the proper bar today, proper bar pneumatic pilot aggregation system look at it. This is a solenoid air pilot operated bar slide, operated flashlight bar with a reset spring. Solenoid air pilot operated flashlight bar with reset spring. And the popular swing solenoid bar air pilot bar bar to us swing slide. No flashlight bar no reset can look at a spring bar boom popular time. There will be a spool and a proper bar. And so there will be the combination of spool and a proper bar. These bars offer the advantage to assign a both side mechanism. These one may be the connectors are normally closed or the normally open, so that there can be the logical function, no and or function can be applicable. So this is for the two proper bar. So that two proper bars are not flow reversible and the P cannot be interchanged for the R. Some common manufacturers offer the proper bar for the normally open as well as for the normally closed, and the flows are configuration. The proper bar provides a positive and the air pressure and assists as a sealing. Proper bars are swing the positive air pressure or pinine to do us in the flow, Piamio, damage to the total the flow configuration, flow and data below yard. Spool and proper bar who bound out the bar the spool proper bar call it to Jalo Bar in the who long a function or song and today to do us normally open, normally close as long as logic function is no and or any function today, and no long and the Dava swing, spool and proper bar who bound it, not a Joe Dayamudi, a Joe Ari. This is a low operating dot like springs are sufficient. Surface to the provided lead free static ceiling. So this is the advantage of the spools and the proper bar. Spool proper bars are the low reversible. People may be interchange with the ARPO, and the speed proper bars provide the positives are overlap. So passage A to I is a closed, people passage B to A opens. The next one with the friction freezer bars, or the docket ditch bars. A new generation of the friction freezer bars has emerged on the bar market. These bars are specially designed to combine all the advantages of the spool and the proper bars, and at the same time eliminate all the advantage of the spool and the proper bars. Friction-free bars, as their names implies, work totally friction-free and offer also their flowing advantages. High airflow characteristics equal or the better than the spool bars. A static long life ceiling, the ceilings rain the most hedge on against the ceiling lifts, and the C carrier is suspended between the two retention is and the most friction free to act. So this is the friction free bars characteristic. And look at Kama swing, the does the varia swing, spoon and proper body and who are swing, operating force and nede, and I've been Baba appealed and look like a swing, the flow down and below Yanine, or people net Apo, and down Yade, Eddie Masu, the positive overlap, so left power on a pit. Not got off, fishing about the body to move the dog this valley to Yale. I fishing about the body of blue she has in the air, flow characteristic of Bobby Miare, not step it, not do us in. Two sitting as ceiling as we are Bobby Jaja Canane, Nabika, Sikeria swing to the tension Disnakuchadama, the suspend of Tare, that the Gamrole to our swing, fishing about Venedu. She way the season. There will be a sabu and the proper bar. And so then with the pain and the combination of spoon and the proper bar, these offer the advantage to assign a both side mechanism. These one may be the connectors are normally closed or the normally open, so that there can be the logical function, no and or function can be applicable. So this is for the tools of proper bar. So the tools of proper bars are not flow reversible and the P cannot be interchanged for the R. Some common manufacturers offer the proper valve for the normally open as well as for the normally closed, and the flows are configuration. The proper valve provides the positive and the air pressure and assists as a sealing. Proper valve is swing the positive air pressure or be like to do a swing the flow, Piamio, damage to the total the flow configuration, flow and data download below yard. Spoon and proper ban who bound out the vaja or the spoon proper value call it to Jalo Valas in the Nakulong fashion or song and up today, to do us normally open, normally close as long as logic fashion is no and or any function today, and long and till the Dava swing, spoon and proper ban who bound it, not a Joe they are moving. The diagram of the spoon proper bar, the map for the Pneumatics spoon. The crossover condition. Directional control bars with the only two selected various of bar position are the readily three position bars with the special standard condition. This standard condition is known as a transition or the crossover transition. For the pneumatic bars, the crossover condition should be closed, and otherwise the compressed airflow normally sustains momentary strain of the air pores. They can produce the 4D control, and particularly whenever bars are used to provide the logic are switching. And also the special socket bar do not provide the positive overlap, but they are extremely fast switch over the component competency. And the special standard conditions are for the three position bars. The standard position is a specially selected position either by the hand lever or the center in springs. In such case, the center of the condition has a significant and is a deliberately chosen for the application within the machine. Bar manufacturers offer the variety of the bar center flow configurations. Now to go out crossover of the impeded. A directional control bar is when region and who is the center position as when the pneumatic body must open close the center position below the impeded. And the four control the body at the below now, talk as if body are a positive over them about to do up, diamond to do us in switching up and below and up. A special center connection of the three position, Pitari, Punari, now Sabaja, Senatara, the Senatare Kamaswing, not the Senatare Amaswing, Lenele, below Yare, Domode, the mechanism in the Senamatalu. And see the bar connection, so we can convert the bar from the working for the one's operation to the another operation. The bar to create those are more to cool and not cool, down like that.